The Hyundai Palisades infotainment system can sometimes experience issues like freezing, unresponsiveness, or app crashes. As of October 2025, the most common solutions are soft reboots and factory resets. A soft reboot restarts the system without erasing data. Simply press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. A factory reset erases all personal data and settings, restoring the system to its original state. To perform a factory reset, navigate to Settings, General, Factory Reset, and Confirm. Remember to back up important data beforehand, as this process is irreversible and may require a dealership PIN for newer 2024 plus models. Always start with a soft reboot before attempting a factory reset. This is crucial for troubleshooting common glitches. Note, never attempt resets while driving. If your Hyundai Palisade touchscreen is unresponsive, first clean the screen gently with a cotton swab. Then, attempt a touchscreen calibration by going to Settings, General, Touchscreen Calibration. Ensure your Palisade software is up to date to prevent many common infotainment problems. Check for updates via the vehicle's settings menu or the My Hyundai app. Hyundai has released over-the-air OTA updates to address touchscreen lag and Bluetooth stability. If the system is completely unresponsive or software updates fail, a wired connection to Hyundai's diagnostic tool at a dealership might be necessary. For older models, consider an infotainment recalibration service at the dealership to resolve issues without a full reset.